Good afternoon, everyone. Another parade ride day. So I'm going to Moto in order to meet my friends. We are gonna get together there. Then after which we'll be riding to Katara. First we are gonna go to Old Airport. We are gonna get together with the other bikers. And after that, I think around 2:30 or 3 p.m. we'll be riding to Katara, where we have the Batabit Moto show. So this is another fun day. So we will meet at 1 p.m. in front of Moto with the other colleagues, and then we will move from there at 1:30 to Old Airport, where we met before, and then around hundreds of bikers from all over GCC, we will ride to Batabit Show in Katara. See you around. And I want you to be mine. Good morning. I just left for a week, man. It's time to move.
the streets. He can see she's been crying. Yeah, she's got blisters on the soles of her feet. She can't walk, but she's trying. You
عدد لو سمحت تعال على الشيء عشان تصير مطابقة
They say the time's supposed to heal you, but I ain't done much bleed. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million. I must have told 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the other side. I must have told 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello, how are you? It's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope that you're well. Did you ever make it out of that town where nothing ever happened? It's no secret that the both of us are running out of time. So hello from the outside. At least I can say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it's not that it clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore.
Okay, it is quite exciting now. I will go to parkour and I'm gonna just ride between the cones. Okay, let's do it.
One run?
Okay, no problem. 1 or 2 rounds, it's fine.
No, sorry. This is your first run.
Yes.
Right? We will guide you.
Okay, thank you.
I will guide you there, and I will guide you.
Thank you. Ah, sorry. I found another brother from Kuwait. So I was about to get on this bike. Then I noticed that this is not my bike. Let's walk between the bikes.
I don't know, but I can see you.